Hey, good morning, guys. It is about 10 till 7. We're leaving Prince Rupert this morning on Tuesday, July the 18th. First stop is to go get some gas. And we're leaving early again because there's weather rolling in, as you can see. Very cloudy looking out here. Here's a quick view of our route today. So we are starting on this left-hand side again, Prince Rupert. And just to get a reminder of where Prince Rupert is, it's about 400 miles or directly north from the border. It's almost 500 miles to Vancouver, and it's 450 here to Prince Rupert where we're going. So kind of a detailed map. We're gonna have to do some backtracking. So back through, down through the canyon, up through Terrace, back up through Hazelton, and then Smithers, Houston, Burns Lake, where we had all that smoke coming in, back to Fraser Lake and to Prince George. So 450 miles or so today. So a big day with quite a bit of weather showing coming in. So we'll see how we deal with that. So the rain stayed with us for a good solid couple of hours until we were up in this area just short of Hazelton. So we turned off the GoPro to conserve battery and kept rolling. But as we came through Hazelton on our way into Smithers, there was a reason to turn the camera back on. We have just spotted a bear on the side of the road between Hazelton and I think it's Smithies. So we're gonna go see if we can see it with the GoPro here. Oh yeah, there he is. Hopefully you can see this. Unfortunately, there was only 37 seconds of battery left in the GoPro, so you weren't able to see that bear, but trust me, it was awesome. He just sat there pulling the berries off this tree right in front of the road. Anyway, it was pretty cool. We got to see it, but not necessarily to record it. So we just stopped and got gas in Burns Lake, and we are noticing that compared to when we came through here on Saturday, there is a lot less smoke. When we were here, you couldn't even see the lake. And so now you can see all the way across. So the fires that were near here must have been taken care of. Which means there'll be more to see on the way home, on the way back to Prince George. It's a traffic jam in Burns Lake. This is Williams Lake. after about 11 hours, we arrived in Prince George, pretty tuckered out and ready for a hot tub. Bob had found a deal on the Hyatt Place here. So we had a couple days before, we had canceled our reservation in Marriott. But when we got there, they did not have a hot tub. Anyway, nice place. It worked out really good. We liked where we were staying. And we went out and had a beer and then hit the rack. We had about 300 miles to ride the next day, but we were going to kind of get up late and take this night to kind of get an R&R, relax a little bit. And this was a nice place to do that.